From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Well, good afternoon. I'm Tucker Antico with your CNET forecast, and if you've been outside today, you're going to know it's chilly out there, and you can see these temperatures are below normal even for this time of year in February. So currently in the low 30s for most of the state. Harrisburg's the warm spot in the local area, and it's only 39 there right now. If you want to look at the big picture too, it's not much different. And in fact, Erie right now is sitting at 20 degrees. So certainly a chilly day, especially considering there's a little bit of wind on those lakes right now. And even Philadelphia, only 38 degrees. And normally it's much warmer there this time of year. So certainly a chilly day, even for February. But the good thing is skies are somewhat clear. There are a few clouds moving in, but again, the day has been sunny for the most part. That'll change soon, though. We'll get to that in just a minute. Now, let's take a look outside near Beaver Stadium. You're going to notice these really bright blue skies, of course, and the wind is calm, so that's also a factor in keeping it a little bit nicer out there. Though, as I mentioned, not going to last much longer, and here's why. You're going to see the snow tonight move in around midnight, and that's going to be a quick system that'll drop an inch or two here and get out almost. But tomorrow, you're going to notice these light blue colors. We're going to have a few snow showers lingering really throughout the day tomorrow, and it's going to be overcast, cloudy, and one of those state college specials that we like to call them here in the meteorology department, where it's just kind of gray and you have those off and on flurries all day. It'll continue to be overcast into Saturday, and Saturday there may be a few lingering showers continuing. So it's really going to be one of those days where you just can't quite escape the gray and the snow. But that's only system number one. There's going to be another storm system. Again, here is Friday's weather. We're going to expect another storm system to move out of the south and into our area on Sunday. So now watch it come in here right out of this area, and you can see that by Sunday evening it's already snowing and maybe pretty hard here too. This system will pack a punch, and we're trying to decide right now if it's going to go further north, which would mean a little bit more rain and mixing, or further south, which would mean more snow, though not as heavy. So we're keeping an eye on this, though if it does impact us, it'll continue into Monday morning. You can see that here, and then promptly moving out as we get into the later hours on Monday and into Tuesday as well. Now, how much snow are we talking? Well, this gives you an idea of a general idea of what we're looking at. You can see this is Friday's system, first of all. I think this might be slightly overdone. I'm only expecting an inch or two here in State College and a little bit less in some of these areas as well. Though as we get into Sunday, and again, this is Friday and Sunday's snow totals packed onto each other, you can see State College might get up to about 8 inches total, so that's about 6 inches on Sunday alone. And that's a pretty good system, especially considering that we're getting into March and it's a little bit warmer out there. You'll notice, though, that areas in the northwest will expect less snow because they're further from the system. And over here in the southeast, there will be some mixing, so areas like Philly and into Jersey as well will expect less snow totals. So the sweet spot's probably going to be around Harrisburg, where you get that heavy snow, but it doesn't warm up quite enough to turn it all into rain. And actually, State College is not in a bad area either as far as snow lovers might think this storm goes. Johnstown, of course, in the higher elevations might be the high point. Again, there's some time for these models to change, but this is what we're looking at right now. Now, tonight, snow begins at or after midnight. Temperature is around 24 degrees, and the wind remains light. Now, this is just something I love to see, but at night, when you have light wind and snow, you get those really beautiful scenes where snow just covers everything, and it's one of those things that's really nice to walk around outside, and so because the wind is light, might not be a bad night for that either. Just putting it out there. Tomorrow, temperatures reach 36. We're going to have some snow in the morning. It's going to transition to rain in the afternoon as it warms up. And for your 7-day forecast, well, we're covering all the snow. You can see Friday, it lingers into Saturday, though it warms up more. And then Sunday, as I mentioned, is our next big system that we're watching. You're going to want to stay tuned as we give you more updates. But we get a pattern change right after that, and you're going to see that Monday's all right, but look at those low temperatures into Tuesday, 8 degrees, and then Tuesday and Wednesday in the low 20s with lows in the single digits. So I know it's March and it's the start of what we call meteorological spring, but certainly cold weather is back and it's going to last a little bit next week. So we'll keep you updated on everything as we learn more. I'm student meteorologist Tucker Antico. Have a great afternoon.